We are in a loader, and here's a parts truck. I'm taking the cab for my service truck. We're gonna rip it off the loader. Let's see how it goes. Paid $11 for this truck. That's right, 11, 1-1, less than 100. Good cab, good windshield. Need it for my truck. Up she goes. I think we're free. There's the new cab. Not too bad, not even rusty. Sweet. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see. I know this isn't sawmill, guys, but it's kind of sweet. Gotta make my truck better, and we'll see more of it. It's 2 busted rods here. Came out the bottom. Questionable transmission. Good transfer case. I'll save that. Pull the cats. Try to sell the bed. Offered the entire truck for the bed for $100 to a guy, or $300 for the bed. Hopefully he'll come get rid of it because I don't want to deal with it.